If you have too much Easter candy in the house, we have some great ideas for you. Here are 4 sweet treats that turn that extra candy into something really yummy. Our first idea, make Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Rice Krispie Treats. They're soft and crunchy and loaded with chocolate and peanut butter flavor. This one is always a crowd favorite. Idea number 2, jelly bean popcorn. It's sweet and salty with an extra dash of chewy from the jelly beans. Just popcorn, marshmallow coating, and candy mix-ins. That's all you need. If you're a jelly bean lover, this treat is for you. Third idea, make M&M chocolate chip cookie bars. Crunchy on the outside, soft in the center, and chock full of chocolate in every bite. So good. And one last bonus idea. Top a brownie or a chocolate cookie with our Reese's peanut butter frosting. Peanut butter and chocolate combine in all the right ways, and it could not be easier to make. 4 fun ways to turn leftover candy into desserts you'll actually want to eat. Find all 4 recipes on our website.